clean, green, and in between. My name is Amber, and welcome to my channel. So today, I am going to show you guys about as messy as my kitchen normally gets. I am doing a basic after clean of like dinner. We had potatoes, so there's lots of potatoes everywhere. So I'm gonna just like kind of show you guys how I normally clean, and I'm gonna show off some amazing products because I do have my partnership with Grove. So if you have not gotten a box, if you want some amazing eco-friendly cleaning products, if you're not a big clean person, I mean, this is your chance. So like I'm gonna be posting a link below, and at the end of this video, I'll give more information about them, what you guys can do, and tell you a little bit more about these links. So I'm gonna be using some of these awesome products. I have glass cleaner, I have Mrs.Meyers products, I have the tree-free paper towels. So I'm going to be talking about these products as I'm using them. So we're just going to be doing a basic cleaning like what I normally do every single day after dinner. You guys can see my cleaning routine for my kitchen. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, so I'm going to start by getting all the excess junk off the countertops. Now normally I don't have huge chunks of potatoes everywhere, but I had never cooked potatoes in the Instapot, and when I was mashing them up, they kind of went everywhere because of how soft they were. I was not anticipating that. So I'm just using the tree-free paper towels from Grove to get all that up. And then now I'm going to use the Mrs.Meyers spray and a washcloth to wipe down all the surfaces. So you'll see me wiping down all my countertops because this is exactly what I do every single night. Because I hate leaving messes for the morning. So I just wipe down everything the night right after dinner, right after we eat. I just wipe everything down. I do the dishes because then it's so much nicer to wake up to like, especially a kitchen for me. Like when you make breakfast, like you just don't want to see all that junk, left over. So, oh, and then I'm going to tell you guys ahead of time so you don't judge me. I have already started decorating for fall because it's always Halloween in our house. So you're going to see a lot of fall decor. So just don't judge me. And then we're just going to finish up. And I use a washcloth I have specific washcloths I use for cleaning because we don't buy paper products. So the tree-free paper towels are the first kind of paper towel product I've had for, I guess, forever, like my whole entire life since I moved out, my adult life. I don't ever buy them. Oh, and showing off my Hocus Pocus decor. So I normally just use the washcloths to clean. They do the job, I can disinfect them, and I like them a lot. But here, I'm actually using the Grove glass cleaner that I got in my box in the tree-free paper towels. Now, this is where I do miss buying paper towels, but I won't because, you guys know me. I'm a big hippie and I won't buy them, but this is why I love that box that I got because it came with these and it makes my stove look so shiny. The glass cleaner is very light, has a very light scent, and it just does wonders for my glass top stove and my microwave. It makes it shine. The paper towels actually are pretty heavy duty. I was actually really surprised, but it always makes my stove look very, very nice and shiny. And I just really enjoy cleaning with that because I don't ever buy Windex. And then, of course, I got to fix my towels, my fall towels, because, don't want sloppy towels around your kitchen. And then here I start cleaning the sink. This is one of my last things that I do. So I take bleach and I do spray it all in the sink because I feel like the sink is one of those places that it just kind of gets gross because that's where a bunch of nasty stuff ends up. I hate leftover food. I hate when stuff sits, so I always kind of spray it down with bleach to disinfect it. And then I use the Mrs.Meyers mint dish soap and these walnut sponges that I got from Grove as well to really scrub. It makes it smell so nice, makes it look so fresh and clean. I love, 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 love both of those products. And actually the sponge I did get in my box, and they're these walnut sponges, and I tell you what, they are durable. Bentley. But this sponge in particular I use just for cleaning. I don't use it on my dishes. I have another one that I use for that. So I'm just going to finish spraying this out. It just makes the sink in your kitchen smell so fresh because there's nothing I hate worse than after you clean or after you cook, your house smells like that, whatever you cook. So this always helps eliminate those odors, I think anyway. So then I just take a washcloth, oh, Bentley again, and then I just kind of like wipe down the sink, get all the excess water off, just try to make it, you know, look a little bit nicer. I don't like water all over. And then this is the finished product. Looks really, really nice. Bentley again. Bagels. Gotta love bagels. And then the glass cleaner, you can really see how it made that shine. And that is from Grove as well. It does a really, really great job. And then the dishes are away, except for those things right there. And all the surfaces are clean. And I wish I could tell you guys how awesome my kitchen smelled. But you guys just need to buy some products for yourself. Alright guys, you saw the final product and I just want to thank you so much for watching. So if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm at 30 subscribers. I would love to get to 50. Also guys, we just have to talk about this Mrs.Meyers room spray. It's what I have been obsessed with. It makes the house smell so fresh. So this is always my finishing touch. Every time I clean my room, I've been obsessed with it. I don't know if they make this scent, but I know that Grove just dropped a bunch of new fall stuff, so make sure you check them out. I have a link down below. You get a free gift set with your first purchase, guys. This is what got me started, was this free gift set. It's awesome. Make sure you check it out. There is a custom code, CLEAN, down below. So make sure you use that. Click on the link below. Help your girl out. Get some amazing cleaning products. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And remember to be positive today, love yourself, and do something today that saves you. Bye!